Welcome to the ultimate guide for Spike Prime in C language. This is the only guide to running Spike Prime in C language. Learn to program with light matrix, hub buttons, motors, color sensors, force sensors, and distance sensors. Begin with an easy setup, using our development environment data and configuration manual. Try straightforward, beginner-friendly steps. Start by creating a program. Code and refine the program. Then, build. Connect. And write it to your Spike Prime. It's a seamless process. Enjoy hands-on learning with sample programs. 22 sample programs. Add motors and sensors, and step up your C language skills along the way. Dive into the world of robotics with confidence and creativity. Afrel Company, Ltd.